home decor ideas that you can personalize yourself using items you already have. I'm going to be starting with this wall clock, and I'll be removing the clock machine and then using some items from the Dollar Tree to personalize it to my style. I'll be using a peel and stick tile from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to spray paint it white and attach the clock machine in the middle. This part of the clock is going to be spray painted gold, and then I'll attach what I've spray painted in the middle. To make it look even better, I'm going to be taking more self-adhesive tiles, and I got these ones from Family Dollar. They sell theirs for $1, and they have all kinds of designs, so I picked as much as I needed for the project. I'm going to be spray painting these ones gold. And you can also get these tiles from the Dollar Tree. It's just that I had a chance of getting more from Family Dollar than the Dollar Tree, and for $1. I'm going to be attaching the tiles to a foam board and making provision in the middle for the clock. I also spray painted the time indicators for the clock. I want to use something with a little bit of texture like this, so I'm going to be using trims that I got from Walmart to cover up the rough sides of the edges for the clock. I'll be covering the inside as well. I'm going to be using the trim again around the edges of the tiles. Another design for a wall clock is just simply get a clock machine and attach it to the middle of 4 self-adhesive tiles that have been attached to a foam board. I'll be covering the surface of the clock machine with a gold contact paper.
If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos.
This is a simple and quick and easy wall design for a clock, and this is the back where it's going to be mounted on a nail that's on the wall. Both designs look really nice, and you can choose whichever one you like and replicate it for your home. Another idea is to use the self-adhesive tiles together with a Dollar Tree frame. I'll remove the content of the frame and leave just the glass, and then attach the glass back to the frame with a hot glue gun. I cut the self-adhesive tiles to size and I spray painted it silver. And then now I'm going to be sticking it on to the glass. You can leave it the way it is, or you can add color to it. So this is Mod Podge and a gold acrylic paint that I'm going to mix together, including glitter to make it shine. And then I'll be making light brush designs on the silver. I'll be mounting this on the wall with a mounting tape that I got from the Dollar Tree. I realized that this is going to be more beautiful when I have more, so I made 4. There are some colors of the self-adhesive tiles that I've been looking for at the Dollar Tree but couldn't find them. But I found some of them at Family Dollar, so I got them. And these ones have black marble design with white marble designs. I'll be making cuts right here to make sure that I don't have any opening when I'm done. I cut some more because I will be needing them to decorate a mirror. I had one of the tiles mistakenly opened, so I'm going to be using these sticky tabs to cover that part up. I attached this on top of another existing larger mirror in the bathroom. This is what all of the designs in this video looks like. Now they all look super pretty, and the main items for each and every one of them were self-adhesive tiles from the Dollar Tree and Family Dollar as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.